Welcome. In front of me is a Tapo Pen Tilt AI Home Security Wi-Fi camera. Now, for short, this is basically the Tapo C220 from TP-LINK. Now, I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the device itself. Now, right on the box, we can already see that it looks like a generic little security cam that you place in at home on something like a table. So it looks exactly the same as 5 other ones that I have unboxed in recent timing. So anyway, let's just pop it open and see if there's any kind of good features. Okay, so packaging wise, just have a cardboard box right here. Instructions with a little sticker for drilling holes for the mounting. Then we get a barrel plug charger for this. The puck, so you can mount it to the wall. Screws. And obviously the cam. And there we go. Oh, so it has a rotating base. And obviously up and down right here with, yep, there we go, SD card tray right at the bottom. And obviously the power right here. Now, that's basically everything that we have in the box. So, oops. There we go. So let's take a look at the box itself and see what they have to say. So we have human pet vehicle detection, baby crying detection, motion detection, and the tracking, and night vision up to 30 feet. Is that seriously everything? Now it does say that it's a 4K Quad HD resolution right here, but let's see what it says at the back, because on the previous one that I unboxed, yep, there we go, it's not actually 2K. It's up to 1.7 times more pixels than 7 or 1080p. Now 2K or Quad HD is exactly 2 times and not anything less. So by the basically description right here, this is only 70% of what 2K is, which it's not 2K now, is it? Now I do understand that technically the 2K refers to the resolution like 2000 and whatever, but Quad HD has a specific resolution, which this ain't it, which is kind of misleading that they put both of those, because one disputes the other. So anyway, that's basically everything that there is on the box, apart from, oh, I guess some more here. So we have motion detection and tracking, local micro SD storage, stores up to 512 gigabytes of video on the SD card, customizable black zones, so it allows you to make some zones that won't be tracked when there's something happening, won't be recorded. 2K Quad HD resolution, so up to, like I said, the bogus 2K resolution, field of view of 360 degrees. Obviously it does spin around, so that's why it can do that. Cloud storage supported, stores video by using cloud storage servers. Now I want to also point out that it doesn't say it's free. Keep that in mind. I don't know if it is free or it's not, but if it would, I'm pretty sure they would mention it. And additionally, I did literally unbox right before this one a different TP-LINK Tapo camera, a much smaller one, and that one actually stated that it allows you to do storage through Wi-Fi locally and on the cloud, and it did state that it's free. That's why I'm pointing it out right here, that it doesn't state that it's free. Then we have night vision up to 30 feet. Provides a visual distance up to 30 feet and total darkness. Now the reason that is the case is because it has infrared lights, I presume somewhere around here in that black area, which I can't see, which illuminate. And obviously as far as the illumination of infrared can go, that's as far as the camera can see. Similar to like how flashlight basically works, but infrared is invisible to human eye, so that's kind of how night vision usually works. Then we have two-way audio, so communicate in real time through a built-in microphone and speakers. Oh, I presume these are the speakers. And then we have active zones, which, just like on the previous one that I unboxed, is just another bogus kind of thing to fill out the empty space. Active zones is basically the same thing as the black zones. It's just written in a different way. So this allows you to select areas where the camera won't get activated and basically won't record. Active zones allow you to do the same thing. Prevents you from, or basically activates whenever there is an active zone. Or anything that isn't not blocked. It's the same kind of message, just written differently. I love corporate. Anyway, that's basically everything that there is to this camera. So, here we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.